Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Myiesha Naseer. I study in Online Islamic Institute Class 3H. Today I will tell you about my institute. My teachers teach us very nicely and politely. They also tell us Islamic stories. They also give us very little sabak so that we can understand it nicely and easily. My Ustad gives me an opportunity to recite Naat every day. And he gives opportunity to other children too. We also have many activities. This year in Ramadan we did Ramadan activity where we learned things through stories of Sahabas, prophets and more. I will thank my institute for giving me such lovely teachers that respect us a lot, and they also help me to understand my deen, my Islam. Jazakallahu khaira.